The Yule goat has been a Swedish Christmas symbol dating back to ancient pagan festivals. However, in 1966, the tradition got a whole new life after someone came up with the idea to make a giant straw goat, now referred to as the gavel goat. According to the official website, the goat is more than 42 feet high, 23 feet wide, and weighs 3.6 tons. Each year, the massive goat is constructed in their same spot. Fans can even watch a live stream from the first Sunday of Advent until after the New Year when it's taken down. If you thought the United States went all out with Christmas decorations, you should see what the Philippines does. Every year, the city of San Fernando holds Ligligan Parol, or Giant Lantern Festival, featuring dazzling paroles, lanterns, that symbolize the Star of Bethlehem. Each parol consists of thousands of spinning lights that illuminate the night sky. The festival has made San Fernando the Christmas capital of the Philippines. Although Christmas isn't a national holiday in Japan, an estimated 1% of the population is Christian, according to Smithsonian Magazine. Its citizens still find an interesting and delicious way to celebrate. Rather than gathering around the table for a turkey dinner, families head out to their local Kentucky Fried Chicken. The tradition began in 1974 after a wildly successful marketing campaign called Orijumasune wa Kentucky, or Kentucky for Christmas. The fast food chain has maintained its Yuletide popularity, causing some people to order their boxes months in advance or stand in 2-hour-long lines to get their finger-licking good food. Similar to the 12 days of Christmas in the US, Iceland celebrates 13. Each night before Christmas, Icelandic children are visited by the 13 Yule lads. After placing their shoes by the window, the little ones will head upstairs to bed. In the morning, they'll either have received candy, if they're good, or be greeted with shoes full of rotten potatoes if they're bad. And you thought coal was a terrible gift. On Christmas morning, Finnish families traditionally eat a porridge made of rice and milk topped with cinnamon, milk, or butter. Whoever finds the almond placed inside one of the puddings wins, but some families cheat and hide a few almonds so the kids don't get upset. At the end of the day, it is customary to warm up in a sauna together. Because summer falls during Christmas time for Kiwis, a number of their traditions center around a barbie, or grill, where families and friends gather for a casual cookout of fresh seafood, meat, and seasonal vegetables. The New Zealand Christmas tree is the pohutukawa, a coastal species that blooms a bright red color in December, providing shade during the sunny days as they sing carols in both English and Maori. Before Christianity came to the Danes, Christmas Day was a celebration of brighter days, Jol, as it occurred just before winter solstice. Today, homes are decorated with superstitious characters called Nissa who are believed to provide protection. On the evening of December 24th, Danish families place their Christmas tree in the middle of the room and dance around it while singing carols. In the French Caribbean island of Martinique, La Ribote is a long-standing tradition where families visit their neighbors during Advent and on New Year's Day, bearing holiday food like yams, Bowden Creole, pâtes sales, and pork stew. They sing Christmas carols together into the early hours of the morning, adding their own Creole verses to traditional lyrics. In Norway, the Christmas season, called julebord, begins December 3rd, filling up local bars and restaurants throughout the month. Families celebrate Little Christmas on December 23rd, each have their own ritual for the day that may include decorating the tree, making a gingerbread house, and eating rising grot, hot rice pudding. The Irish leave a tall red candle in a front window overnight, a welcoming symbol of warmth and shelter for the holiday season. Traditional Christmas fare in Ireland often includes homemade roast goose, vegetables, cranberries, and potatoes. A Christmas table in Barbados isn't complete without a baked ham decorated with pineapple and sorrel glazes, a rum cake, and jug, a dish inspired by the Scottish influence on the island, combining pigeon peas, Guinea corn flour, herbs, and salt meat. On Christmas Eve in Poland, many families share opłatek, an unleavened religious wafer, each person breaking off a piece as they wish each other Merry Christmas. Dinner may not begin until the first star appears in the night sky, and, traditionally, an extra setting is left at the table should someone show up uninvited. Sinterklaas is the Dutch name for Saint Nicholas, the man recognized by children by his long white beard, red cape, and red mitre. Kids put a shoe by the chimney or back door and wake up on Christmas morning to find treats like gingerbread men, marzipan, and chocolate letters inside. Brazilian and Portuguese families come together on Christmas Eve to eat dinner as late as 10 p.m. Then, at exactly midnight, they exchange gifts, toasts, and wish each other a Merry Christmas. Midnight Mass, Missa do Galo, Rooster Mass, is a chance to meet up with neighbors and extended family to wish them well for the holiday season. The service is often followed by fireworks in the town square. While the traditions around South Africa vary by region and culture, most families come together for a cookout, called braai on the holiday. Marinated steaks and boerewors sausages serve as the main course, followed by a customary dessert of malva pudding, pictured, served with a custard. Traditional fir Christmas trees are decorated with a variety of baubles, included hand-beaded African ornaments.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.